Yo, what's up, yo? My name is PJ, and for today, guys, we are going to have this SM2SM Run 10. So we are joining the 12 km category. So it's time check. It's already 3:15 a.m. So 4:30, pamong gun start, but early we came here early so that we can still have time to prepare, and of course the parking para konti pa lang, medyo konti, but actually madami na yung nauna, and medyo puno na yung parking. So buti na lang maaga kami with the squad, you know. Ready na mo, guys?
Yes!
Yun, ready? So excited me after the run, guys, because they have this raffle. They are raffling. Sakto ba na ba English nga raffling? Ang grand prize nilang raffle na lang is a brand new car, di ba? Imagine that. And they are giving away po mga cell phones. Yeah, so we are excited for the raffle, and hopefully the food. They have some food after. Hopefully may chicken joy and spaghetti, but hopeful lang. Anyway guys, mag-stretching muna kami, and we'll have some warm-up before the race. So yeah, I'll show you some videos of the race route. So we will go from SM to SM, actually SM here in the city, sa Mabolo, then going to SM Seaside. So we will pass by the pier side, Plaza Independencia, then going to the South Road properties, then to SM Seaside, and going back. So that's our route. So hopefully there will be some anong tawag dito, mga fun stuff along the way. So I'll show you some videos. So that's it. See you guys at the finish line. Yan. Dali kayo, makita natin mga kanang. So nasa loob kami ngayon ng SM, guys. CR break lang. There. And we'll do some quick warm-ups before the race. Yeah, doing some stretching. There. Very excited? Stretching.
To please join us here and warm up. Once again, we'd like to request all the other runners in the different categories, please join us here for your warm up. 21K second wave, follow through the first one. So 12K, please stay right here, and we'll have our warm-up.
Si hamburger, si pangalan niya.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy. Si yummy, yummy. Kalungan lagi sila. Hello. Naka-check-in namin guys. Check-in sa first wave. Check-in. So we're waiting for the gunstart in maybe around 10 minutes. Pagod mo. For the win, guys. Ambush interview. Attorney Carl.
Yeah.
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog.
Yung ano, attorney.
Bye, man.
Tikas. Walking na naman kami, guys, here sa bridge here at SRP. We're almost halfway and we are doing well, kumbaga. So medyo effective yung training namin, no? I think, yeah, slowly but surely we can finish the fun run, and of course, more importantly, we are having fun. Going to the SRP. Bakit kami sa bridge, SRP bridge. Yung mga 21 km runners, yung iba pabalik na, guys. I think they are going for the win, for the first prize. South Road Properties. We are now here at SM Seaside. So we just had our turning point for the 12 km. So pabalik na tayo dun sa SM City. Ayun. And so far our time is around 1 hour and almost 1 hour and 30. Ay,
30?
hindi pa din.
Ano na to? No, wala pa.
It's almost 5 a.m. so wala pa din 1 hour and halfway. So probably we can finish in less than 2 hours, diba? So pabalik na tayo, guys. So far, so good. Nag-enjoy kami sa route. Ayos naman yung hydration station, madaming water, and of course yung Pocari Sweat. May one station for Pocari Sweat. And we took advantage of the Pocari Sweat, diba? So yun. So pabalik na kami, guys. So we'll take some few more videos, then sa finish line. I'll see you there. We'll take some videos, program later, some highlights of the program and the raffle, and hopefully we will win the Chevrolet car, yeah, and some cell phones. Less than 3 km to go, guys. So we are passing by. We are almost near the Robinson's Galleria. Then SM na. So malapit na lang. Less than 3 p.m. So far, so good. We are surviving. Diba? Sa Bisaya pa, hinay-hinay. Pero kanunay. Less than 1 km to go, guys, and we are ready to take our medals kay anyway, and medals kay our brother and your partner. So yes, so we will finish strong, guys. We are already near the finish line. We'll try to run. So our time is less than 2 hours. It's still 1 hour and 40 minutes. So hopefully we can finish less than 2 hours. So yeah, so let's go. So the time is still 1:48, so it's less than 2 hours. We're lining up to finish. It was a good run, good exercise, diba? So run, walk, and you can easily finish. I think wala na no injuries. Wala yung sakit sa lawas, and hopefully we can recover immediately, diba? Breakfast? I think na hard-boiled egg. Definitely na hard-boiled egg. Na chicken. Yes, but hopefully lami ang free breakfast. We'll see, and hopefully we'll win the raffle. Yun!
Okay, sige. Tawag na. Kuan na. Dili na sa may North Parking area. Ang lupag yan, hindi mo paon.
Thank you. Got my medal, guys. So we are lining up for the 12K. Yan, diba? Oh, yeah. 12K bags. Each culture, you can ask them. Loot bag and breakfast. What's inside? Gatorade, tumbler.
Flavored water.
Let me have flavored water. Let me have your breakfast. Whoa, Nova.
Yeah.
Nova and kite. Wow. Sabon? Nice, nice. So nahuman agad me guys, we just finished our 12 km in less than 2 hours, and of course na free breakfast courtesy of Jollibee burger steak and water. Yun. So we'll just have our breakfast guys, and then after this we'll head back to the open court for the raffles and some programs. So I'll take some video clips of the program and sa raffle, and hopefully, di ba, madaog na guys. So wait for it guys. Hopefully, madaog na.
It's a car, you know, like it's not a car, it's a car. Different land. Again, it's 10 years of SM2SM Run, so it's only right. Sir, thank you very much.
10th anniversary celebration.
I think before we have the 12K, right? We still have the mall manager, Mr. Van V. Avelia, to help us.
21K cut.
Hello, sir. Okay, now the data, sir.
69 years old is the winner for the 82 siya, but it has to be the 21K.
Ito, saan natin si
Yes,
sir?
of course,
Hi,
yes.
sir. Hostino Fuentes, pakpakan na to si Mr. Hostino Fuentes. Tiniguang na category.
5 years. 5 years lang. So bago-bago lang kanil dagandagan niya. These are the winners of the 12K male 50 and above age group.
We will now be awarding for the female category. Still the same.
Give them a round of applause.
Pakpakan na to sila, ladies and gentlemen. Sir, thank you so much.
Since did it in only 1 hour 30. The name is Jocelyn Elieran. Jocelyn Elieran. The distance age group 40 to 49.
Miss Maria Glenn Pontanar. Our third placer, that is of course Maria Glenn Pontanar. Second place.
1K male open category. Manner, okay? He did it in 11, making 6 seconds. Princess, or rather Prince Lee. Place with a time of 1 hour, 10 minutes and 31 seconds. Harold Zavala. In the SM2SM Run Year 10 for 9 minutes and 11 seconds. Remember Yanyo.
Sir Richard Saliano, congratulations, 1,000 for the second placer and the grand prize.
In 1 hour, 29 minutes and 35 seconds. Zayn Abelia. 1 hour, 29 minutes and 9 seconds. Cristabel Martez. The category is 21K open, and Doctora. Anna, I'd like to say before we give out the car,
Sure.
somebody once said, no. But if you're here, you showed up, you have a chance.
It's also staying under the sunlight.
Well, that's part of showing. You've got to be there. Going up here in the SM2SM Run Year 10. It's been 10 amazing.
To join us, to help us award.
Okay, there she is, Karen.
Our 590, are you here?
8590. Looks like we have a potential winner.
Is it you, sir? Is it you? Are you 859? Sir, are you? 859. Congratulations!
And he's the luckiest man and also the most hated man today. Congratulations, bro. You are unbelievably lucky. Please get your prize.
This
From-
is now 8590, just to be sure. Thank you so much, everyone!
What's your name again, sir? Oscar? Oscar Hood Hood. Please.
That ends our SM2SM Run 12 km, and unfortunately guys, we did not win today, but maybe next year, Feb 21, 2021, so we'll see you again next year guys. So kita-kits na sa next SM Fun Run 2021, and maybe by that time we will win. Sayang! Anyway, my name again is PJ Yo, and I'll see you again in my next video guys. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.